Hi, we are Dave and Karen Watts, and we are full-time RVers, and we joined the SOITC Suite Owners International Travel Club, which all the members have DRVs, and which we do too. Our fifth wheel is a mobile suites. We went to Elk City, Oklahoma for the International Rally for October 8th to the 13th, and this is a gang. There were over 60 RVs there. Elk City set up their convention center with their booth and multiple vendors, and we even had an article in their newspaper. We were able to have a stage and an area for us to have our dinners and our meetings and fun. We gave out an award to Elk City Convention Center for doing such a great job. We also gave an award to Alicia and Slade Tenery of Rolling Retreats, who provided models for us to see and a lot of gifts and prizes. They had also had two guys there that did minor fixes on our RVs at no cost, along with a honey wagon to do you know what. So this is the convention center, and I'll take a little drive around so you can see our DRVs. This is the barn behind the convention center where we had the model homes provided by Rolling Retreats. Here's some pictures. So we had live music one night. They were really good. We also went to the Route US 66 Museum. It's set up like a little town. That's Dave and I in a Cadillac at the drive-in.
Did you video it?
Yep.
We like to play LCR, left, center, and right. It gets a little crazy because there's money at stake.
Careful.
Right! Oh! See how it feels?
Ready!
Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
No, no, no.
Come on.
You had to say that.
Right.
Right.
Oh!
To the left.
To the left.
Come on.
They also had seminars about things to maintain and repair on our DRVs, provided parts that you could see. They even had a DRV representative there we could ask questions. We went to the Sport Chassis Factory as well, so we could see how they could make the chassis on those who choose to have a big truck. And they even provided us with pizza. One night we went to the Prairie Fire restaurant. Good food. So we were just hanging out in the convention center, met a lot of nice new friends, had a good time with them. Kind of crazy people. Local group put on the play Nonsense for us there at the Elk City Center. We went to the Red Carpet Community Theater one night to see Oklahoma. Rolling Retreats bought the entire theater out for us, so they put on a special show just for us. We went out for catfish afterwards. And they sold lots of tickets for donated items and for 50/50 raffle.
Ticket of $220 off of labor by Indiana Interstate. It expires in 2019, June 31st.
This was the youngest couple there, and they won a kayak. Don't know how they're going to fit that into their RV, but they were happy about it.